Hello all, good morning. Today we are going to learn Chartered Accountants Day in cursive writing. Chartered Accountants Day observed on 1st July every year. The Institute of Chartered Accounts of India was established on 1st July 1949 and so in India is marked as a Chartered Accountants Day. It is the second largest profession, accounting and finance body in the world. This day is observed to celebrate the foundation of the Institute of the Chartered Accountants of India, in shortcut ICAI. 5 years later, in 1918, a course called Government Diploma in Accountant was launched in Bombay. After completing this course with a 3-year training period, the person was eligible to work as an auditor. The Indian government accepted the recommendations of the committee and passed the CA Act in 1949. Under Section 3 of the said Act, ICAI was founded as a body corporate with perpetual succession and a common seal. The word chartered, when used for Indian accountants, has no relation to the Loyal Charter of the British. To work as an auditor, one needs acquire a certificate after fulfilling some conditions. Now you know the importance of chartered accountants, no? If you like my video, like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. If you want any topic, you can mention in comments also. I will write the topic in the next video. Bye. I'll see you all in the next video.